Hello everybody and welcome back to Resident Evil 7. Last time we left off, we got the... Well, really didn't get anything. We just kind of came in here and saved, so... we have to go into the dreaded basement. So, I'm just gonna make our way down here. I don't know why we have to go down here, but... Or no, we read on the note that it was for... one of the dog heads was down here in the dissection room. I hate these noises. Another one of you. Die. I have 53 ammo. I should be fine. Okay. Nice. Let's go in here. Okay. Lucas, I caught the guy who keeps trying to escape. I've locked him up in the leftmost incinerator so he can't get out. Can't get away again. Take him out when he's ready. You do know how to open the door, don't you? Just remember, 3 A's and a handprint. Do what you want with this girl. So that's Travis, I think his name was? Oh, before I do that, I'm just going to continue exploring. Workshop. It's locked. What's this? I can't open it. I thought that was one of those monsters. The noise of this. Okay, hey. More boxes. Ammo. Ammo. Processing area map. Okay, so I thought that was the second room. I guess it's not. But that's fine. Ooh, an herb. What's this? Scorpion key. We can get the shotgun, or the broken shotgun. What's not even I don't know if it's broken. I don't think it is. But shotgun. It's good. Okay, those stack. Chem fluid. What else is down? What's down here? Shotgun shells. And a snake door. Psychostimulants. Let me use that. Items in that room, but I can't get in there. Anything left in here? Oh, there is. Treasure. I know where that is. Okay, let's go get that. Nice. That did startle me. What is this? Is this a coin? Let's go. I'm gonna try in the other room. Oh, it's back here. Oh god, I'm not killing you. Bye bye. Okay, I'm gonna go store some stuff in this save room. Okay. So I have a lockpick, which I didn't know, so there's one here. Handgun ammo. And let's store the herb and coin. So far we have 6 antique coins. Actually, oh, yeah, I don't think I need the herb right now. Where did you come from? Jeez. Okay, we can unlock this door now. There's the shotgun. Jack, I think his name, is still roaming around. I read that already. I'll go get this treasure. Okay. Wait, it's in here? Yeah, let me check. Seems like the place. Let's see what's... Oh, yep. Steroids? What do these do? Dramatically strengthens muscles and increases max health? Nice. Okay. I don't think we need this treasure photo anymore. Let's delete that. And an herb. Let's go. Do we have 2 spaces? We do. So we do have enough for the shotgun. Or do we? I'm about to delete this. And this. Or, no, I'll just delete that for some extra space. Let's go to the... Oh, I can't check my map right now. Let's go to the... Been in there. Oh, sorry, what? The recreation room. Which is up here. Okay, so Jack is still around. Okay. Broken shotgun. Sad. That's gross. The ambience in this game is incredible. I'm horrified. Kind of. Okay. Nice. Now to get out. Broken shotgun. Let's go back and blast some head. Okay. Is this 3? Okay. Let's go see if we can do that puzzle now. Right here. So it was 3 A's and a handprint. Do I? Yeah, is it here? No. Yeah. 3 A's and a handprint, so Lara, no. No. Let's send this. 3 A's and a handprint? Nice. What the? What is this? Is it dead? Okay, good. What's this? Dissection room cave. Okay. I'm happy I got the shotgun before I did that. just check some stuff. Handgun ammo. Okay. And food. That didn't kill you? Ow! There we go. Stay dead. Oh, an herb. We can make another heal. Oops, wrong button. Okay. Oh god. Just run. Bye-bye. Yes! Let's load that in. I want to go check back in that room. Ooh. I think that's all. They're respawning. Okay, bye. And just another heal. Hey, it's the red dog. Ooh. Okay, how can he not see you? Well, if it's that girl, then Mia's my wife, so it kind of makes sense. And how are... Oh, yeah. Who is that? Is that the cop? Okay. Can we reach that? Let's go. I'm gonna create... Can I crossing? Oh, I can. Strong first aid med. So, more heal power. I'll equip this. Just in case. Before I pick that up. Oh god, it is. I just wanna... Ah, that's sad. Let's grab that chem fluid. Let's see if there's... Let's go in here, see if there's anything we could use. Gunpowder! We can make some more ammo. Okay, let's see. So I do have some space. Oh, is this the other side of the sneak door that we saw in the other room? That's 100% a boss arena. Okay, this is definitely a trap. Hi. Ow. Ow, my back. Oh, okay. Oh. Ah, hey. Ah. Okay. So, what I'm wondering is, Ethan, like, bro, he saw him not die, but, like, he's still trying to kill him? Can I grab this? Uh-oh. Just had to use some bullets. Die! Ow! Oh! Ah! Jack, you're running into the wrong place. Oh crap. Go, go, go. Go, 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 Ethan. Okay, so I almost died there. Oh crap. Okay, I might die. I really don't want to die. Oh crap. Go, go, go. Okay. Jeez, there's a face. Did you just explode? Okay. Oh, he was walking. Okay, I just want to get rid of this chainsaw so I can heal. Oh. Well, sadly it's broken. Oh! I didn't have any heals. That's not good. Okay. Go. Jeez. I didn't know I used all my heals. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's save. And let's go. So now there shouldn't be anyone except for those monsters in the house trying to get me. What is this for? Wait. No, not there. In here. I'm gonna be very stupid. I think I literally looked at it in the last video. Last episode. Oh my god. I guess you're supposed to get that early. I guess so that it dings to get jacked near you, I guess. But we now have 2 or 3 out of 3 because I already put the other one in. Or no, the other one's in my box. But once we leave the house, is that just the end of the game? Like, what else is there? Like, is it just gonna go black and then credits? Like, that'd be a very short game. I didn't even grab it. Okay, I'm not going back there. I'll just go through here. Oh, she's gone. I literally went into the room, into the box, I think, and I didn't even grab it. Oh, I have an herb in here. Take that. I don't know if I want to use that herb yet. Like, I might find a chem fluid. Anyways, let's see what's at the end, or in the open. Okay, that was more anticlimactic than I imagined. But nice music is playing, so we escaped. Yay! Something down here. Another herb, so I'm gonna use this one that I have. Okay. Well, I mean, this has a light on it, so I'm gonna go here. Oh. Let's just check around. Oh, shotgun shells. Take those. Let's load them in. Okay. Let's see. Oh, we can use our stuff here. So we can get stabilizer, reload speed, or steroids. More health. What's this? Oh, coin. 44 meg. It's 9. I have 7. I think I'm not gonna get anything. Broken handgun. I don't know, maybe we'll get some sort of kit or something. Compare what's in here. Food. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's them. It's too late for them. My body's feeling weirder and weirder. Soon I'll become like Mom and Dad. It's all her fault. Should I run? No, I can't. I'm dead if she finds out. The woman she was with, Mia, she knows something. If I had a serum, I could cure myself. I have to find out more. Well, I think I'm going to leave this episode here. I hope you guys are enjoying the series so far. I know I am.